Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Fire TV Instant Guide step by step clearly. Turn on your Fire TV device. Make sure your Fire TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen. Scroll to the apps section using your remote. Locate and select the MGM Plus app. If you haven't installed it yet, search for MGM Plus in the search bar. Select the MGM Plus app from the results. Click on the Download or Get button to install the app. Once installed, open the MGM Plus app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the Sign In option. A sign-in screen will appear. If you are a new user, select Sign Up to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. If you're signing in, enter your email and password. After signing in, you may need to enter an activation code. Look for an activation code on your screen. Open a web browser on a computer or mobile device. Visit the activation website shown on your Fire TV screen. Enter the activation code in the provided field. Click on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message on your browser. Return to your Fire TV once you see the confirmation. Your MGM Plus app will refresh and activate. You can now enjoy all the content available on MGM Plus. Explore the various categories of movies and shows offered. You're all set to start streaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.